In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get listed on CoinMarketCap. This is a crucial step for any new cryptocurrency project looking to gain visibility and credibility in the market. So, let's dive right in and make sure you understand each part of the process thoroughly. First, start by going to the CoinMarketCap website. This platform is one of the most popular cryptocurrency market data sites out there, known for providing accurate and real-time information about coin prices, volume, shoulder, and market cap. So, getting your project listed here can significantly boost your visibility. Once you're on the CoinMarketCap homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout so you know exactly where to go when you're looking for specific information. Next up, move your attention to the profile icon, which you can find on the right side of the page. This is where you'll access several important user features, including the option to get your cryptocurrency listed. Clicking on the profile icon will open up a menu of options, so go ahead and click on it. Once you've opened the profile menu, you'll see an option labeled Get Listed. This is your gateway to starting the listing process. Click on Get Listed to proceed. This is a critical point because being featured among CoinMarketCap's listings can bring a large amount of attention and credibility to your project. After clicking, you'll be prompted to choose the specific type of listing you're interested in. Since CoinMarketCap supports various types of crypto assets, make sure you select the option that best fits your needs. This ensures that your listing is accurate and reaches the right audience. Choosing the right category is key, as it will optimize how your crypto project is presented and discovered by potential investors or users. Now, with your choice confirmed, you'll arrive at a detailed form where you'll need to fill in all the necessary details about your cryptocurrency project. This includes information like the project name, ticker, logo, and complete project description. Take your time with this step. Accuracy is crucial. Providing thorough and correct details helps CoinMarketCap verify your application more efficiently and increases the chances of getting approved. If you're unsure about any specific field, consult with your team or refer to CoinMarketCap's guidelines. Once you have completed the form, it's time for the final step, clicking on Submit. This action sends your application to the CoinMarketCap team for review. Submitting doesn't guarantee listing, but it's your initial move into the process. Now, patience is essential. Application reviews can take some time, depending on the current backlog of requests they handle. And there you have it. You've just submitted your cryptocurrency project to CoinMarketCap for listing. Keep an eye on your email for any communication from them.